Good morning! Mag-update tayo today sa teachers strike here in Alberta. So, ang good news, by tomorrow, Wednesday, October 29, balik na ang mga teachers and mga anak natin sa school. Yeah, that's really good news for us parents. Right? But the bad news is if the teachers were not going to return to work, they will be penalized for $500 per day. And kasama sa agreement nila kahapon ni Daniel Smith, they will hire additional teachers for 3,000 and 1,500 na mga education assistant. Marami pa silang napag-amenduhan or mga, the purpose of their strike. So, what's the good news for us? I don't know. If we're going to change our career, we'll see. So, yun lang guys. Yun ang good news natin. At the same time, may bad news for them. But, yeah, mostly good news for us because our children will be back to school. And it's gonna free also our mind. Parents, what are they gonna do while they're at home? Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye.